Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google TV on an external hard drive. With this setup you can turn any computer into a smart TV without buying an Android box or changing anything on your PC. Your main operating system stays completely safe. When you want to use Google TV, just plug in the hard drive, boot from it, and Google TV will run directly from your drive. When you unplug it, your PC will start normally like before. Follow the steps carefully and by the end of this video you'll have a fully working Google TV drive that you can carry anywhere. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First, connect your external hard drive to your PC. I'm using a 500GB hard drive for this tutorial. To install Google TV, we need to convert the drive to GPT partition style. Right-click the Windows Start button and open Disk Management. You'll see all the drives connected to your PC. The first two are my internal drives, and the third one, Disk 2, is my external drive. Now let's open Command Prompt. Go to the search bar, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. In Command Prompt type disk part and press Enter. This will open a new disk part window. Next type list disk and press Enter. This will show all your disks. Now select your external drive. Mine is disk 2, so I'll type select disk 2. And press Enter. Then type clean. Press Enter. This will erase everything on the drive. Now convert it to GPT. Type convert GPT. Press Enter. Your drive is now ready for Google TV. Now we have to download some files. First, click the first link in the video description. It will open my Google Drive. Download the file from there. This contains the Google TV ISO that we will install onto the hard drive. We also need a free tool called Rufus. It will help us write the ISO to the drive. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Open the first website and download the latest version. Open Disk Management again. You'll see your hard drive is now showing as unallocated. Right-click on it and choose New Simple Volume. Complete the setup so the drive becomes visible in File Explorer. When the downloads are finished, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Inside the folder you'll find a Google TV ISO file and a folder named Storages. Now go back and open Rufus. Before selecting anything, enable the checkbox List USB hard drives. This ensures Rufus detects your external drive. Then click Select and choose the Google TV ISO file you extracted. You'll see an option called Persistent Partition Size. Drag the slider all the way to the right to use the maximum space. Below that, select the correct partition scheme. If you don't know partition scheme, simply search System Information on search bar and open it. Here you will see BIOS mode. If it is Legacy, then choose MBR, and if it's UEFI, then choose GPT. Once everything is set, click Start. Accept the warnings. Now Rufus will format your drive and make it bootable. This may take a few minutes. When Rufus finishes, click Close. Now you have a working Google TV boot drive. Right now its storage is limited to about 3 GB. So let's fix that. Open Disk Management again. Find your external drive. You'll see two partitions, one boot partition and a persistence partition. Right-click Persistence partition and choose Delete Volume. Right-click Unallocated Space and click New Simple Volume. Select exFAT as file system. Now your drive has a boot partition created by Rufus, and a new volume created by us. Now open the boot drive. Inside you will find a file system SFS, cut it from here. And paste it into the new volume. Then go to the folder you extracted earlier. Open the Storages folder. Choose a storage file depending on your drive capacity. If your drive is 120 GB or more, choose 64 GB option. If your drive is smaller, then choose 32 GB option. Pick the one that is around half of your drive space. Inside you will see a data.img file. Copy it. And paste it into the new volume. That's it. Your external hard drive is fully ready to boot into Google TV. Now restart your PC to run Android TV. When logo appears, press boot key of your PC, according to its brand. From boot menu there, select your hard drive. After a few seconds, the Google TV boot menu will appear with several Android 13 kernel options. Start with the normal kernel first. If you get a black screen, try one that mentions external. And there we go. The Google TV setup screen is now on your display. Now set up your Google TV according to on-screen instructions. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google TV 13 on an external hard drive. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.